Want to start making money online but don't want to risk any investment on it? Want to use your skills to make an extra few $100 every month? Well, if you do, then you're in the right place because that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Welcome to Lushplex, and here are 3 ways to make money online that actually work. 1. Article and blog writing. One of the easiest ways to make money online these days is to start writing articles or blogs on different websites for money. Buyers pay anywhere from $2 to $100 per article, depending on its quality and word length. On average, you can make $20 to $30 by working an hour or so every day. That comes out to about $700 a month, which doesn't seem like a bad deal. The barrier for entry here is extremely low, and all you need to know is some English and you're set. No fees, no nothing. If you're interested in writing, then Upwork, Freelancer, and Craigslist are good places to get started. 2. Freelancing on Fiverr. You've probably heard of Fiverr before, and given how popular it is nowadays, you probably know someone that works there. Fiverr is a website for freelancers to sell their skills. You can find work for basically any skill in the world of Fiverr. Graphic designing and video editing are some of the most widely used ones. And because you can learn how to do any of these online, it means that even if you don't have a skill set right now, you can start learning and have one in just a few months. Once you do, register yourself on Fiverr and start making money. People on Fiverr make anywhere from $1,000 to $20,000 a month, depending on what they do and how good they are at it. 3. Become a virtual assistant. If you've got some time on your hands and want to use it to earn some money, then becoming a virtual assistant is a great idea. Basically, a virtual assistant is just like a normal assistant, just online. You'll handle schedules, Zoom calls, read emails, and respond to comments on social media. Your job is to organize stuff for your employer and act as their assistant. It's super easy, and once again, the barrier for entry is super low. You just need to have strong English, and that's kinda it. Virtual assistants make anywhere from $40 to $70 an hour and make about $1,500 to $2,000 a month if they work an hour or 2 a day. You'll get paid more as you gain experience, but this is what you start with as a virtual assistant. You can work as a virtual assistant on Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and Craigslist, to name a few. With that, our list comes to an end. Let us know about any other methods that you use in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And for more videos like this, subscribe to Lushplex.